So here's the TI Launchpad with the MSP430 microcontroller in it. Soon after playing with this board for the first time, I wanted to get off of the USB power and instead use batteries. This is a broken piece of electronics. It has a battery pack in it. I thought I would use just the battery pack with some alligator cables to see if I could power up the MSP430. So I have two batteries in here, which gives us about 3 volts. So on the corner of the board we have VCC and we have ground. We have 2 grounds. As you can see, the launch pad is being powered just with these 2 batteries. So now that I know this can work, I want to make this wiring a little safer from being shorted out. This is an old TV that I took apart and saved for scrap parts, and I'm glad I did, because here's something that I can use right now. This connector has 3 wires coming out of it, and that's exactly what I need. Let's see if I can take that off. So this connector's in good shape. Hopefully I can connect it to the launch pad. There's all kinds of good parts in this scrap TV. Hopefully I'll get to use more of these parts in future projects. Okay, so now we have the connector from the broken television set. Let's see if we can get this permanently wired to the battery pack. Alright, so I've taken the batteries out because I'm going to do some soldering now. This is a toy that my son had. It's a voice changer. Has a microphone here you talk into, and it changes the way your voice sounds when it comes out of the speaker. But it broke and it doesn't work anymore. I think I'll go ahead and open this up. I'd like to get this microphone cable off. Might just clip it off. But before I do, I want to take a peek inside. I might keep this switch so that it'll be a power switch for the microcontroller. See a speaker in here, which maybe I'll plug the speaker into the microcontroller for something too. So I'll just leave that in there. There's a little chip on this board, HK3860818. I don't know what that is. I could look it up. I've removed most of the components inside this box, but what I'm really interested in is the battery pack. I soldered the connector to the battery pack. So the way I've soldered this connector up is that the red wire is VCC and the white wire is ground. So let's see if this powers up the board. And it does. So I now have a battery pack and an easy way to carry this launch pad around without having to plug it into a computer and without having to plug it into USB power. The script that I flashed to the microcontroller makes the LED blink faster and faster. Each time it goes through the loop, there's less time between flashes, so it gets faster and faster. I think it makes it look like a bomb is about to blow up. To summarize, yes, you can power a Launchpad using batteries, in this case 2 AA batteries, and you can use salvaged parts. I spent nothing. I'll probably continue to play with this and maybe make use of this, the speaker on the bottom. Well, this little guy's been running all night and it's still running, no problem. I put it back together again. I put the case back together again all the way. So now we have a battery pack for the TI Launchpad made out of recycled parts. I'm thinking it would be cool to put this in my truck and make would-be thieves think that it's a security alarm. The light blinks faster and faster as time goes on. Makes it look like something bad is about to happen. Like maybe the alarm is going to turn on.